In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RedNote app not opening. So let's say you download the application and it is not opening for any reason. Then the first thing I would suggest you to do is to just remove the app, and then you click on delete app. If you are on Apple, you just click on delete app. If you are on Google, you basically do the same, but it will look a little bit different. But the idea is the same. You just delete the app, and then you're going back to the App Store, download it all again. And I just did that, so I'm in a fresh app. So you click on your app, and then it should work. When it doesn't work, it also helps to just restart your phone for a minute. And these easy steps will, in the most cases, allow you to open the RedNote app without any problems. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And if there are any problems or something that doesn't work, then please let me know in the comments, because then I will be there to help you. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.